Now, how much do you know about the Verkehrszuwanderungsgesetz? I'm glad I only had to say that one once. Well, that's the official name for the new immigration law that's come into force in Germany. It's designed to fill a labour shortage in what is one of the fastest ageing societies in the world. Earlier, I spoke to Herbert Brücker from Germany's Institute for Employment Research and asked him how effective he thinks the new immigration policy will be.
It's not a big change, the new immigration law. So the two major changes are that today individuals with vocational training may immigrate to Germany. Before, that was only possible if they were on a list with occupations where we had shortages. Now they can move in generally. And the second major change is that we before had a labor market test, so that you have to prove that no German national or EU citizen can apply for this position. Both is skipped, and that is good news for the business, but the major hurdle that you need an approval of your professional degrees before you immigrate to Germany still remains. So I think that is a basic bottleneck for immigration. So I do not expect very large numbers which will come to Germany because of that Immigration Act.
You talk about the big hurdles that still remain. So what are the biggest challenges facing migrants with aspirations to work in Germany?
Yes, if you have a foreign credential, so you need one, a foreign degree, you have to prove that it is entirely equivalent to the German ones. For example, if you are a plumber, then you have to prove that you are totally equivalent in your vocational training to a German plumber. The same holds, of course, for individuals with academic degrees. And you have to prove that before you can move into Germany. On top of that, you need an employment contract, and you have to prove that your occupation is adequate to your professional qualification.
But this policy was long awaited. How far do you think it might change Germany's image to outsiders as maybe being more open?
I think it's a minor change. It's not a major change. I think, that most of the individuals will fail because they cannot prove that their foreign degrees are similar to the ones in Germany. There are perhaps some bureaucracies are lifted off, so it's a bit easier to come in. But overall, we expect perhaps an additional 25,000 individuals which may move into Germany because of that act per year. But we need about a net immigration of about 400,000 individuals.